अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के, हमने MCQs पढ़ने हैं। फर्स्ट हम पहले MCQs की तरफ जाते हैं। द रिलेटिव अट्रैक्शन ऑफ अ न्यूक्लियस फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन अ केमिकल बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी। द रिलेटिव अट्रैक्शन ऑफ अ न्यूक्लियस फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन अ केमिकल बॉन्ड क्या कहलाता है? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी। And the second, the ionization energy, the correct option is A, generally increase from left to right in a period. Correct option A, generally increase from left to right. और जो थर्ड MCQs है, which of the following will have the highest value of electronegativity? और ऑप्शन है फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन या आयोडीन। तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है बी, क्लोरीन। विच टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एन ओवरलैप ऑफ p ऑर्बिटल्स? इसके ऑप्शन है पाई बॉन्ड, सिग्मा बॉन्ड, बोथ या नीदर। तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है बोथ, सी। बॉन्ड बनता है बाय द ओवरलैप ऑफ p ऑर्बिटल। वो पाई भी हो सकता है और सिग्मा भी। The octet rule does not always hold for which of the following elements? कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन या फॉस्फोरस। तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है फॉस्फोरस। Which of the solid does not contain a covalent bond? कॉपर, आइस, डायमंड या ग्रेफाइट। तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ए, कॉपर। नेक्स्ट है विच ऑफ द following is the best explanation that CO2 is a non-polar molecule? And the correct option is B, the dipole moment is zero. Shielding effect across the period. The correct option is C, constant. The shielding effect across the period is constant. Which one is not the absolute term of element? The correct option is C, electronegativity. And the 10th MCQs is which one has the maximum number of unpaired electrons? The correct option is B, 7Y. And the 11th MCQs is the molecule having a covalent bond. The correct option is CO2. The molecule having a covalent bond is O2, oxygen. When two lone pairs and two bond pairs are around the central atom, reduction in the bond angle is up to. The correct option is B, 104.5 degree. And the 13th MCQs is in oxygen. Each oxygen atom is hybridized. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जो बी है, sp2. Molecular orbitals are filled according to, and the correct option is D. And the 15th MCQs is measurement of the degree of polarity is, the correct option is dipole moment. Measurement of a degree of a polarity is dipole moment. The 16th MCQs is which one shows high percentage of the ionic character? Water, HF, HCl या HBr। तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है बी, HF। A species with the maximum number of unpaired electrons, and the options are fluorine, water, HF या NH minus, and the correct option is D, NH। And the next MCQs, which of the following have their outermost shell complete in atomic form? And the correct option is A, noble gases. For responsible to hold atoms together in a compound is called, and the correct option is A, bond. The force responsible to hold atoms together in a compound is called bond. And the 20th MCQs is the energy of an atom in a compound is called, the energy of an atom in a compound is, the correct option is lesser than individual. The 21 MCQs in a period, the atomic radii, the correct option is B, decrease. In a period, the atomic radii decrease. An atom loses or gains electron to, the correct option is D, all are accurate justifications. An atom loses or gain electron to gain stability, form a bond and complete its outer shell. All the options are correct. And the next MCQs is, in a group ionic radii, the correct option is A, increase. In a group atomic radii increase. At the next MCQs, the energy required to remove an electron from an atom is called option A, ionization energy. And the next MCQs, ionization energy in a period generally. Option A, correct, increase. The ionization energy in a period generally increase. The 26 MCQs is greater shielding effect correspond to ionization energy value. The correct option is B, lesser. And the next MCQs, elements having high electron potential value are, the correct option is B, non-metals. And the next MCQs, energy released or absorbed when electrons are added in atom is, the correct option is C, electron affinity. The next MCQs, in a period, electronegativity from left to right. The correct option is A, increase. Ionic bond is produced after complete transfer of, the correct option is C, electrons. Ionic bond is produced after complete transfer of electrons. And the 31st MCQs is, elements of a group 1A and 2A are, the correct option is B, electropositive. The next MCQs, bond will bionic when the electronegativity difference of bonded atom is equal to, the correct option is B, greater than 1.7. Mostly ionic compounds are produced in between elements of, the correct option is B, 1A, 2A and 7A. Which one of the following has polar covalent bond? And the correct option is HF. And the 35th MCQs is, the Lewis acids are, the correct option is A, electron deficient. Sharing of one electron pair by one species forms, and the correct option is D, coordinate covalent bond. And the next MCQs, angle in a water molecule is, and the correct option is B, 104.5 degree. In the next MCQs, the geometry of ammonia is, the correct option is D, trigonal pyramidal. Orbitals of same energy produced after mixing of orbitals of different energy are called. The correct option is A, degenerate orbitals. And the next MCQs, by combining an atomic orbital's number of hybrid orbitals will be, the correct option is B, is N. On sp3 hybridization, the correct option is B, 1s and 3p orbitals are involved. The next MCQs, geometry of simple molecules having sp3 hybrid orbitals is, the correct option is B, tetrahedral. Geometry of molecule will be pyramidal if the outermost shell of the central atom has, the correct option is A, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Pi bonds are produced by overlapping of, the correct option is A, unhybrid orbitals. According to Whisper model, the geometry of molecule having 5 bond pair in outermost shell will be, the correct option is C, trigonal bipyramidal. Molecular orbital which have higher energy than atomic orbitals is called, the correct option is B, antibonding molecular orbital. And the next MCQs is, unpaired electron in a molecule gives dash character, and the correct option is B, paramagnetic. Unpaired electron in a molecule gives paramagnetic character. And the next MCQs, bond order for N2 molecule is, the correct option is 3, C. Bond order for N2 molecule is 3. The product of charge and distance is called, the correct option is D, dipole moment. Unit of dipole moment is, the correct option is A. Thank you so much.